Top 12. Anti-aging foods you should be eating every day. Are you searching for the fountain of youth in your meals? Look no further than your kitchen. The secret to a youthful appearance and vibrant health might just lie in the foods you consume every day. Aging is a natural process, but certain dietary choices can slow down those unwelcome wrinkles and keep your skin glowing. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling fantastic from the inside out. From spices that fight inflammation to fruits that boost collagen, let's explore the top 12 anti-aging foods that could become your daily allies in maintaining a healthy, youthful you. Grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into a culinary journey that might just turn back the clock. Here are the top 12 anti-aging foods you should be eating every day. Number 1. Spinach. Often referred to as a superfood, spinach is a leafy green vegetable that packs a punch when it comes to skin health. Not only is it abundant in vitamins and minerals that benefit the skin, but it also has properties that help keep your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Its vitamin A content is essential for oil production, ensuring that your skin remains moisturized and does not dry out. Furthermore, the vitamin C present in spinach is vital for the synthesis of collagen, which provides structure and elasticity to the skin. By promoting collagen production, vitamin C aids in repairing and renewing skin cells, keeping your skin looking refreshed and revitalized. Beyond these benefits, spinach contains lutein, a powerful antioxidant that offers protection against harmful UV rays, preventing sun-induced inflammation and minimizing the risk of sun damage to the skin. Number 2. Blueberries. Despite their small size, blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to skin health. They are laden with vitamins A and C, which have been shown to promote skin health. Blueberries also contain a wealth of antioxidants, compounds known to counteract the harmful effects of free radicals in the body. Free radicals can damage skin cells, accelerating the aging process, but antioxidants help neutralize these harmful compounds. Among the antioxidants in blueberries, anthocyanins stand out. These compounds not only give blueberries their deep blue color, but also have properties that delay the skin's aging process and boost its elasticity. Number 3. Dark chocolate. For those with a sweet tooth, dark chocolate, especially with a cocoa content of 70% or higher, can be a skin-saving treat. Cocoa is rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, that offer a range of benefits for the skin. These antioxidants not only protect the skin from harmful UV radiation, which can lead to sunburn and premature aging, but also increase blood flow to the skin, aiding in hydration and improving complexion. And it doesn't end there. Indulging in dark chocolate can help reduce levels of stress hormones. This reduction is vital as excessive stress hormones can lead to collagen breakdown, causing the skin to lose its firmness and suppleness. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea, a beverage consumed across the globe, is loaded with polyphenols. These compounds have strong antioxidant properties that combat free radicals, which can damage skin cells and accelerate the aging process. Additionally, green tea can protect your skin from harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sunburn and sun-induced skin damage. The catechins, a type of polyphenol found in green tea, are particularly potent antioxidants that can rejuvenate dying skin cells, ensuring a fresher, more radiant appearance. Number 5. Almonds. Almonds are not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for the skin. They are a rich source of vitamin E, an antioxidant known to protect skin cells from the harmful effects of UV radiation. By shielding skin from these adverse effects and other environmental stressors that produce free radicals, vitamin E helps maintain the skin's integrity. Regular consumption of almonds can result in skin that's smoother, softer, and more resistant to damage. Number 6. Salmon. Often incorporated into healthy diets, salmon offers a myriad of benefits for the skin. This fatty fish is teeming with omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats known to reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can speed up the aging process, leading to the formation of wrinkles and fine lines, but omega-3s counter this effect. Furthermore, salmon is a rich source of high-quality protein, essential for the synthesis of collagen and elastin. These proteins provide the skin with its structure and elasticity, ensuring it remains firm and youthful. Regular consumption of salmon can significantly improve skin texture and resilience. Number 7. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice commonly used in Asian cuisine. It's more than just a flavoring agent for dishes and has been recognized for its medicinal properties, especially the compound curcumin. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects can help alleviate a range of skin conditions, including redness, scarring, and puffiness. The link between curcumin and protection against UV radiation is particularly intriguing, as UV rays are known to cause premature aging and skin damage. By neutralizing free radicals and enhancing antioxidant enzymes, curcumin could potentially reduce wrinkles and keep your skin looking radiant. Additionally, its potential to inhibit certain enzymes that contribute to pigmentation disorders may help in improving skin tone. Number 8. Brussels sprouts, the tiny green vegetables that resemble miniature cabbages, may not appeal to everyone's taste buds, but their nutritional benefits can't be ignored. They are packed with vitamins A and C, essential for collagen production. Collagen is a key protein that helps keep skin firm and wrinkle-free. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin cell production, while vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, fighting free radicals that can damage the skin's structure. By incorporating Brussels sprouts into your diet, you may be investing in a natural way to maintain youthful skin. Number 9. Sesame seeds, often used in cooking and baking, are a remarkable source of nutrients that can boost skin health. These tiny seeds are rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which contribute to skin structure and strength. Specifically, zinc plays a critical role in the production of collagen, giving the skin a firmer appearance and reducing sagging. Regular consumption of sesame seeds could lead to improvements in skin texture and appearance. Number 10. Watercress, an aquatic plant with a unique peppery flavor, is a powerhouse of nutrients. Its ability to enhance skin oxygenation means it promotes better blood flow to the skin, nourishing it from within. The plant's antioxidants help combat free radicals, and its potassium content ensures proper cell function and rejuvenation. Including watercress in salads or as a garnish can lead to more vibrant and refreshed-looking skin. Number 11. Blackberries are a delectable fruit that offers benefits beyond their taste. Packed with vitamin C, blackberries can aid in collagen stabilization and production, leading to a decrease in wrinkles and fine lines. The antioxidants in this fruit also contribute to skin firmness and youthfulness, making them a sweet way to take care of your skin. Number 12. Mangoes are tropical fruits that are not only delicious but beneficial for skin health as well. Their abundance of carotenoids helps defend the skin against UV radiation, reducing the risk of damage and premature aging. Furthermore, the high vitamin A content in mangoes is vital for skin cell production and repair. These nutrients collectively work to improve skin elasticity and resilience. Regular consumption of mangoes could mean enjoying not just their juicy taste, but also radiant and healthier skin. In conclusion, the food we consume plays a crucial role in maintaining our skin's health and appearance. By incorporating these particular items into a balanced diet, one may naturally enhance skin quality and combat signs of aging. Whether it's the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, the collagen-boosting vitamins in Brussels sprouts, or the skin-rejuvenating minerals in sesame seeds, these foods offer a delightful way to nourish and protect the skin. Thank you for watching.